Yes guys, so today I'm going to be taking you to London with me. I'm going to be getting a new system fitted by my hairdresser Myra, so I'm about to set the train in about 20 minutes. I'm super excited because I've had this system for about 5 to 6 months. As you can see, there's a fair bit of wear and tear on it, understandably. I've had it for a long time. I'm going to be getting a poly base with a lace frontal, so it'll give a really natural frontal hairline. I really want you guys to see what it looks like to be sort of, or should I say, I really want to see you guys see what it's like to actually get a new cut in, see how it's all blended together with natural hair, and see how it all sort of comes together. And my hairdresser Myra is absolutely fantastic. If you are near the London area, she is £80 for a cut-in service. She also does do her own hair systems as well. So definitely worth checking out her hair system website, which is www.hairright.co.uk. I might not have that exactly right. I'm going to double check it with her, and if it is incorrect, I'm going to also put it down below in the description box, so you can go and check out her website, and if you need to get a system fitted, you can get it booked in with her. So next time I see you, it will be in the salon. I'll see you in a bit. Yes guys, so I'm back from the salon. I've had my new system fitted. It's feeling great. It's looking great. I'm just really happy with it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video and you found it really useful. If you're enjoying my channel, please do hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell as well, or give you notifications when I'm releasing new content. I've noticed only about 20% of my viewership is from my subscribers, so I'd love to get that up a little bit. If you enjoyed the video, please do give it a like. Don't forget that New Lace CU is still offering that 20% discount on your first system with them. New Lace CU 20 in the coupon code box, newlacecu.com. Check them out, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye for now.